Dr. Hanavu at Skinzone Medical here in Southern California. Today we're going to treat thinning hair. This is a young man with significant hair loss, and he's thinning in his crown section, and he's tried multiple things including minoxidil, nioxin shampoo without any effect. So today we're going to do exosome treatment. We've numbed him, so that's why you see a little bit of the numbing cream there, and we're going to treat the scalp. Exosome comes from stem cells, and when we inject into the hair follicle, it will make it stronger, healthier, enhance blood flow, and so it will help to minimize hair loss and enhance hair growth. Usually she needs 3 treatments, but he's young, so we're going to start with 2 treatments, 2 months apart, and see the improvement. It's a very comfortable treatment. It's not bad at all. So this is really an amazing treatment. A lot of hair growth, reduction in hair loss, retention of hair, enhancing hair growth, and with minimal maintenance in between treatment. It's really amazing treatment. Exosomes has multiple growth factors in it, and it enhances the regeneration and the health of the hair follicle and the hair and the scalp. So stay tuned for his after results when it becomes available.